How to change Discord password if you forgot it. So if you want to reset or recover your Discord password, then what you need to do is open up your Discord application. Once you open your Discord, now you need to simply tap on login, which is on the bottom. And from here, if you want to change your Discord password, and if you have forgotten your password, then what you need to do is go for the login page at first, and then you need to enter your email or your phone number on the first blank, and then enter your password on the next blank. But if you don't remember your password, then you need to simply go for forgot your password. So enter your email, tap on forgot password, and then you need to confirm, tap on confirm, which is on the bottom, and again tap on forgot your password. And from here you need to verify again, and here it says that we've sent you instructions to change your password to the email. Please check both of your inbox and spam folder. Tap on OK. So here I have received my link or my code to my email address. But if you have entered your mobile number, then you will get the code or link to your mobile number, right? So you need to simply open up your mailbox. Here I have the mail. Tap on the mail, and here it says that password reset request for Discord. So you need to simply tap on reset password, and here it will take you to change your password page. So from here you can enter your new password and then tap on change password, and your password will be changed on Discord. So that's it. That's how you can change your Discord password if you forgot it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.